It's me, Ella the Inventricle, and today I'm going to show you how to dye with redwood cones. So I live in the redwoods, and every summer we get these green cones. And today we're going to dye with them. So for this you're going to need a giant pot, of course green cones. Also, you're going to need like some fabric to dye with and some water. So, first step, you gotta collect some cones. Okay, so we collected 290 cones. That is quite a lot. And now we're going to put them back into this pot. And then we're going to fill it with water and cook it, then let it sit overnight. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the inside of the green cone. Even though it looks green on the outside, the inside is really dark, and this is because of all the tannin it has. The tannin makes it red, so when you put the cones in water, the tannin is exposed to water, and it releases its color and it turns red. To prepare the fabric, we soak it in a solution of soy milk and water overnight, then let it dry, then repeat it 3 more times. Got it? Got it. Okay, we've let it sit, and now we're going to strain it into a pot. And then we're going to cook it on our outdoor fire. I'm not even sure if this strainer is going to work. So for this you'll need a strainer, a pot. I'm going to use some gloves just in case, and a measuring cup, and perhaps a natural file. So I'm going to scoop up some of the dye. Well, and you also may want someone to help you by like holding. Alright, so I put the pot, so the pot is on the oven and the flames are on. So now carefully I'm going to take this cloth and dip it into the dye. Oh, whoa, this would make such a great dye for redwood. Probably because it's from redwoods. Put the lid on it and we're going to let it sit overnight. Okay, so we let the fabric sit in the redwood cone dye for 24 hours. Now let's pull it out and see how it looks. Whoa. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, and this one. Whoa, this one is so amazing. Wow, these are all so amazing and so cool. So yeah, that was a fun experiment and amazing.